scale these down to 50%, make the fists. Let's bring the foot up. Let's bring the other foot up. Let's tilt them forward. A little bend in the back too here. Well, not really bend, but straightening it out somewhat. And I'm going to, I'm actually going to select everything and key everything's location and rotation. Then I'm going to bring up the timeline. And I'm going to click on the auto recording, the keyframing. And then let's switch over to the dope sheet in the action editor. I'm just going to call this run action. And let's Control C over here. And then let's jump ahead like, say, 10 frames. So we're on frame 11 now. And then over here, do a Control C V. And then let's jump ahead another 10 frames and just do a Control V. So Control Shift V, which is what I did here, pastes the flipped image. So this is where we start. This is halfway through the whole thing. This is a repeat of the first. So now what we need to do is figure out what goes in here. And let's see. Let's bring in his right leg up. So let's grab his right foot. Bring that up. In fact, let's grab his pull targets, pull them forward. Let's bring this leg back. And let's move them up just a little bit. And if this leg's back, this arm's going to be forward. And this arm will be back. And maybe even we get a little tight, a little tilt of the shoulder. I'm just going to turn that just a little more down. Let's see. Jump. Come back down. And take these frames and move them over. One. Come back down. And so over this window, let's select all. Control C. And then this is on frame 7. Let's made it easy on ourselves by having these 10 apart. Control Shift V. And now let's just set the end of our animation to be one less than this frame. and do an Alt-A. That's pretty good. And for our little character,